Good morning, students. Today we will talk about the issue of the shares. When the shares are issued, shares means the capital of the company is divided into the small parts. Each such part or unit is called shares. When the money is collected as capital, normal journal entry is passed as cash account debit to capital account in case of sole proprietorship. In case of the partnership, we pass the journal entry as cash account debit to capital account of each partner, like A's capital, B's capital, C's capital. When the money is collected from the shareholder, in case of the company form of business organization, it is quite not possible to write the name of the person. That is why we use the term share capital, and the amount is also collected through a bank account. That's why bank account is recorded. When the money is received in lump sum, it means the money is received at once. Then two journal entries will be passed. There are bank account debit to share application and allotment account, and share application and allotment account debit to share capital account. In case if the shares are issued at premium, the premium account will also be credited. जब भी कोई कंपनी अपने शेयर्स को पब्लिक में इशू करती है तो उनको एप्लीकेशन का अमाउंट रिसीव्ड होता है. लमसम अगर एक साथ पैसा मिलता है तो कंपनी शेयर्स को अलॉट भी उसी समय कर देती है. इसको हम बोलते हैं बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर एप्लीकेशन एंड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट, एंड देन शेयर एप्लीकेशन एंड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. प्रीमियम का मतलब होता है व्हेन द शेयर्स आर इशूड एट मोर देन द फेस वैल्यू. अगर 100 रुपए का शेयर है और कोई कंपनी 100 रुपए में बेचती है तो इसको हम बोलते हैं एट पार. अगर यही शेयर 2 रुपए का है और कंपनी इसको 110 रुपए या 125 रुपए में बेचे तो इसको हम बोलते हैं एट प्रीमियम. मीन्स व्हेन द शेयर्स आर इशूड एट मोर देन द फेस वैल्यू, इट इज नोन एज शेयर इशूड एट प्रीमियम. कंपनी कैन कलेक्ट द मनी of capital in lump sum or in installments. The company issued 25,000 shares of rupees 10 each at par. Full amount was payable for application. Applications were received for all the shares and allotment was made. Pass the journal entries. Bank account debit to share application and allotment. This is the first entry. And the second entry, what we need to pass is share application and allotment account debit to share capital account. The company had issued here 25,000 shares of rupees 10 each, and the full amount is collected with application. It means 25,000 multiplied by 10. So here we need to record 2,50,000, and then this money will be transferred to the share capital account. That is 2,50,000 will be transferred to capital account. There is no premium given. Suppose if the share price or the face value of the company share is rupees 10, the company may divide it in 5 parts. First one is application. Those who are willing to purchase the shares of the company, they may apply. Then the allotment is done. Then the calls are made. There are 3 calls, that is first call, second call, and final call. A company may not divide its money or the capital in more than these 5 parts. If a company desires to get the money in 2 installments only, the company may ask for the application and allotment, or it can go ahead with first call, second call, or final call. But the company cannot issue the shares in more than the 5 installments. Let's see what will be the journal entry for the application money. Bank account debit to share application, because the money will be collected in bank. So bank will be the receiver and we are receiving the application money. That is why application money will be credited. Application money will be transferred to the capital account because the application is the part of share capital. If the shares are issued at more price than face value, it is known as security premium reserve, and the premium amount will be transferred to that account. Likewise, we have to make the other journal entries. देखिएगा यहाँ पर एप्लीकेशन का जो अमाउंट होता है सबसे पहले कंपनी के पास आता है, उसके बाद कंपनी उसको ट्रांसफर करती है। बाकी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स के लिए भी सेम जर्नल एंट्री हमको बनाना होगी, लेकिन उसमें जो सीक्वेंस है वो चेंज हो जाएगा। पहले कंपनी उसको अमाउंट को ड्यू करेगी, उसके बाद उसे रिसीव करेगी। केवल एप्लीकेशन के टाइम पर बैंक पहले आएगा, कैपिटल बाद में। बाकी सभी अमाउंट के लिए कैपिटल पहले आएगा और फिर बैंक वाली एंट्री होगी। लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट एंट्री फॉर अलॉटमेंट। Share allotment account debit to share capital account, and then finally we will receive the money related to the allotment. Bank account debit to share allotment account. If the security premium reserve is given, means the shares are issued at more than the face value, then it is known as shares issued at premium. That will be transferred to the security premium reserve. This is adjusted with the allotment money only in the absence of any information. यदि प्रश्न में कुछ भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं गिवन हो तो सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम रिजर्व को हम अलॉटमेंट के साथ एडजस्ट करते हैं और जिस समय इसको ड्यू करते हैं उसी समय इसको रिकॉर्ड करते हैं। इसके बाद फर्स्ट कॉल मनी ड्यू एंड रिसीव्ड। शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट, एंड देन बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर फर्स्ट कॉल। फॉर सेकेंड कॉल अगेन द सेम जर्नल एंट्री। शेयर सेकेंड कॉल अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट and bank account debit to share second call account. For final call, share third and final call account debit to share capital account, being the third and final call money is due. Then bank account debit to share third and final call account, being third and final call money is received. The company issued 12,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 8 par. The amounts were payable as rupees 3 on application, rupees 5 on allotment, and rupees 2 on first and final call. Applications were received for all the shares and allotment was made. Pass the journal entries. The first journal entry will be passed as bank account debit to share application. The company had issued 12,000 shares. It means 12,000 into 3. It is 36,000. So first entry में amount आ जाएगा 36,000. Bank account debit to share application. Now this share application money will be transferred to capital account. Share application account debit to share capital account. There is no excess amount, so full amount will be transferred to share capital account. That is 36,000. Now the company will call for allotment. जब भी allotment या नेक्स्ट अमाउंट हम मंगवाते हैं तो पहले उसको ट्रांसफर करते हैं कैपिटल अकाउंट में, उसके बाद वो पैसा हमारे पास आता है। पहली एंट्री हो जाएगी कैपिटल में ट्रांसफर करने की। शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट, दैट इज 12,000 shares are there and 5 rupees per share, that is the allotment money. So total amount will be recorded as 60,000. Now in next entry we will receive the money related to allotment. Bank account debit to share allotment account. The same amount 60,000 we are going to receive. So this 60,000 will be received. Then first call money will be fell due. Share first call account debit to share capital account. The amount is given as rupees 2 per share. It means 12,000 multiplied by 2. So the full amount will be recorded as 24,000 rupees. Then this money will be received by the company. Bank account debit to share first call 24,000. Let's see another question. A company issued 20,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 8 par. Amounts were payable as on application rupees 2 per share, on allotment rupees 4 per share, and on first and final call rupees 4 per share. Applications were received for all the shares and allotment was made. Pass the journal entry. The first journal entry what we need to pass is बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू शेयर एप्लीकेशन. यहाँ पर हमको क्या करना होता है, जितना शेयर कंपनी ने इशू किया है दैट इज 20,000. सो 20,000 इंटू 2 पर शेयर दैट इज द एप्लीकेशन मनी. एप्लीकेशन में एप्लीकेशन का मल्टीप्लाई करना है दैट इज 40,000. नाउ नेक्स्ट अमाउंट इज रिलेटेड टू ट्रांसफर. शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट डेबिट to share capital account. Same 40,000 rupee will be transferred to capital account. For allotment, the first entry will be passed for transferring into the capital account and then that money will be received. So, share allotment account debit to share capital account is 20,000 multiplied by 4. It means it is 80,000. Now this money will be received. Bank account debit to share allotment account 80,000. First call money will be due. Share first and final call account debit to share capital account. That is again 4 rupees per share. It means 20,000 will be multiplied by 4 and 80,000 will be the full amount. Now, bank account debit to share first and final call. The same amount we are going to receive.